Hey everyone, Johnny here, and in this video I would like to show you our very last update in Design System platform, where we have added a read-only list of all the containers you have uploaded to Supernova so you can prototype with your product. So let's take a look. Here I'm in Design System platform, and in the left side navigation you see that we have a new section called Portal Create here, and basically here Design System team provides all necessary configuration and context for PMs, designers, and others who are prototyping with their product. And let's take a look on what we have here. So we have here shared context. This is something that we already had in settings, but we pulled it out because it's super important concept for everyone who's setting up the environment where the product teams are prototyping. So if you are not familiar, very quickly, the shared context is basically a combination of connected design systems. So here you see that I have a design system, a sample one, where I have 4 tokens, 6 pages, and I have also our code container filled with all the dependencies, all the components, everything that you basically need for prototyping with your own product. And here you see that we have uploaded multiple different versions of it as we prototype with it more and more, and we have added more components and some patterns and templates to the container. So here I can see all the versions that are related to the specific code container. So this is shared context, and let me show you the code containers here. So here you can have a list of all containers that you have ever uploaded to Supernova. We have, for demo purposes, only one here. So here you see that it's version 010. It was updated on January 26th, and it's basically using dark matter design system. So if I click on it, I see that there is just one shared context that is using this container that I showed you like a couple of seconds ago. And if I click on it, I can actually open the shared context that is using the container. So you see that it's connected together. And here, if I go to the second tab, I see that how many versions I've already uploaded. Right now, at this moment, it's read-only, but in the near future, you will be able to see also the content of what is actually in the container. So list of components, list of templates, list of patterns, everything that you can actually prototype with. So you can use it in your prototype. So your prototypes looks exactly like your product, and they are using everything correctly. And of course, if you are interested in trying this out, let us know. This is enterprise only feature, so you can explore it and let us know your feedback, and see you soon. Thank you.